What's going on YouTube? It's What's the Hype back with another video. Today I'm going to be showing you guys how to properly lace the Air Jordan 1. I like to lace mine a little bit loose, and I show you guys here what one looks like all laced up, and I'll be doing a tutorial breaking down how to do it. Pretty simple, pretty easy, but I'll be giving you guys some tips and tricks along the way, so make sure to drop a like if this does help you out, and subscribe for more sneaker and clothing content. The key to properly lacing your Jordan 1s is basically just taking the time and patience to do it properly. If you're going to spend the money on a good shoe, you might as well just take the little bit of time it does to really make them look nice. To show you what we're going to be doing, I put the laces through the first hole to just show you guys what I like to do. I think it looks best when the laces lay flat, and to understand what that means, basically they're not twisted up. You can see on this other pair I realized that there was a little bit of twistedness towards the top, and you can see I fixed, and that's basically what you're going to be doing as you lace up the shoes, because they won't perfectly lie flat across the shoe as you go along with this process, but it just takes time and fixing it, twisting the lace around to get it to lie flat and look really, really clean. So here in this next video, I've sped up the process just so it doesn't get too boring to watch, but like I said, you're just kind of slowly going along. You do one lace and then do the other one. I think that comes out the best, and they're like layered and it looks really good in my opinion, just going back and forth between them. And usually I'll go like, if I do like the right lace, then I do the left lace, then I do the left lace since I'm already holding that, and then go back to the right, just kind of crisscrossing them, and it gives it a good look in my opinion, just keeping it really clean. And that loose lacing just keeps it nice and relaxed, kind of a more kind of like lifestyle chill look. So this step is a bit more important. You're going to want to make sure once you get to the 6th eyelet on the Jordan 1 that the lace goes through that middle section on the tongue. This is where I think it looks the best, and then it's going to come out in that lower hole on the other side, that eyelet, and you're just going to keep lacing it after that normally. But here's what it looks like. You can see where it kind of drops down there where I pointed and then comes out to the other side. Once it's in that low section, it goes up to where it is higher around the collar. Here's what the finished product should look like, leaving the lace hanging a little bit out of the last eyelet. And then on feet, I think it looks really, really good and casual, especially in the summertime wearing shorts. I think this looks really nice, but let me know what you guys think down below. I hope you guys enjoyed the video, and thanks for making it all the way to the end. Like I said, if you do enjoy this content, make sure to drop a like and subscribe if you are new, and I'll see you guys next time. Peace!